Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Play2Profits, which is a new $147 billion monetization technology that pays you $5 to $10 in PayPal cash daily every time someone watches a video, and it comes with preloaded high converting traffic and shows your video to thousands of visitors every day. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free fast action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hello, welcome to this amazing video, and in this video I'm going to show you a powerful software called Play2Profit. Play2Profit is an amazing software that actually taps into $147 billion monetization technology created by Google founders. Now, this exact same technology allows you to get paid anytime someone plays a video. That's why we call it Play2Profit. And you don't even have to sell anything to these people, so there's no need for you to create video or do any technical stuff. The best part of it is that this system comes with a peer-to-peer traffic system that allows you to get tons of traffic at the click of the button, like real human traffic at the tap of a button. So with this amazing app, you'll be able to get paid $5 to $10 PayPal cash every time someone simply plays a video, and they don't even need to buy anything. As long as people are watching videos and they are playing these videos, you are going to make money. So I'm going to log into this app now to show you exactly how it works. Okay, so here is Play2Profit dashboard. As you can see, we have the dashboard, which is what we are seeing right now. We have the ads, we have the promotions where you can create new promotions and you can manage your existing promotions. We have the account where you can edit your profile and your account security. Now on the dashboard, as you can see, we have the credits. Credit is what you turn to traffic. This is what you use to get people that plays your video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So how do you get credit in order to create promotions or get visitors to your own video campaigns? You need to actually play other people's video. So it's as simple as that. By playing other people's video in the system, you get more credits that you can use to run traffic to your own video campaigns as well. And by doing that, you get people to play your own videos, and in turn you get paid. So now I'm going to come to promotion and click on create new. So once I get to this place, I'll give my campaign a name. Now you need to decide the niche you want to focus on with your video campaign. Maybe it's make money, it's business, it's weight loss, health, relationship, football, whatever it is. You need to be sure of what type of campaign you want to create. So here I'm just going to create a make money campaign. So I can type something like, you see that, work from home jobs, top website to make money working from home. You see that? Then the next thing is to insert the video. So here I'm going to search, so I can say from home jobs. Then you click on the search button. You can as well upload your own MP4 video if you want to upload video, or you can get access to tons and tons of video just by searching a keyword here, and it will return a lot of videos that you can use. So you can see 10 work from home jobs, best work from home jobs. Can you see that? So I can just pick one and go with it. So I'll select this video, and then the next thing, you can insert your thumbnail. You can see you can search Pixabay, or you can just upload image, whichever one you prefer. Choose. So once you're done, the next thing is to add video action. So video action is where you can actually monetize. So there are different ways in which you can use to monetize. Can you see that? So here I'm just going to select the AdSense banner ads or the AdSense video ads. These allow you to display banner ads or video ads inside your video campaign, so that anytime a user plays the video, you get paid per view. Okay, so I'm going to post my code here, as you can see. So once I'm done, I'm going to come down here and click on save video action. So once I save video action, the next thing is you can add as many actions to your video as possible. That is, you can monetize your video as many times as possible. You can monetize with image ads, with button, with buy button, and so on and so forth. So once you're done, you click on the publish campaign button. So once this publish your campaign, the next thing is now to create the advert, to create the promotion that will drive traffic to your video campaign. As you can see, this is the URL to your video campaign that has been created. So now you can give your promotion a name. So here I can write work from home jobs. Can you see that? So expected click. Now this is the number of visitors that you want to get to your video campaigns. So like I said, this is super simple and automated. There's no hard work, there's nothing you need to do here. So here you're just going to enter the number of traffic or clicks or views you want to get. So here I'm just going to type 100, and you have to know that this is going to use up your credits. So if you say you want 100 click, then you can specify the number of credits you're willing to give per click. 1 is the minimum, and remember, the higher the credits per click, the more people will be willing to click on your own videos, which means you get traffic, you get views, which turn into profits as fast as possible. So here I'll just put 1 there, and here you can select the status. Do you want it to be published or unpublished, in case you want to edit later? So I want to publish right away, so I'm going to select publish. So once I select publish, then you can select image. So this image is going to be the thumbnail for your promotion. So I'm just going to select image and use. So once I'm done, then you just click on the submit button. As you can see, promotion has been added successfully. And you can see work from home, the expected click, the credits I'm willing to pay per click. I'll see the total number of visitors, and as you can see, it's running automatically, and the status is published. So that is how to create your own video campaign, and anytime someone play that video, you get paid. So you can see our credit has reduced to 400. So let's say you run out of credits and you want to get more credits. All you have to do is just to go to the ad section. And once you go to the ad section, you are going to see other people's ads there. You can see view the ads below to earn promotional credits. You can see if you view this website, you get 1 credit. If you view this, you get 1 credit as well. So if I click on view website, so you see, and I click on the play button, can you see? So by playing this video, I'm going to get credits. The more credits I have, the more I'm able to get more people to also play my video, which turns to more profit for me. So this is how Play2Profit actually works. It's a very simple and amazing app which is going to get you results. So as you can see, I got 1 credit extra. So that is how it works. Thank you for watching. Bye.